In this segment, we're going to be looking at section 8.1, dealing with saving plans and income, and specifically part 3. The first section deals with looking at income opportunities. So to do that, we're going to go to the Career Cruising website, www.careercruising.com. Now you may have a personal login that you used for selecting your courses. I'm going to use the generic school one, Niagara 23250. And we're going to log in, and here we go. And on the main page here, there's often some kind of profiled career. This particular one is looking at people with an interest in geography and related careers. And so you can explore your interests and fill out a survey and answer some questions, and it will suggest some careers that might appeal to you. What I'm going to do is look at a specific career. So if you have something in mind, you can learn about that career and type in the name. So let's suppose I'm looking at being a welder. And any careers that involve that keyword will come up. So I'm going to click on welder. And all of the information that you need to include in your write-up is included over on the side here. So at a glance, it just gives you a quick overview of that particular career. There's some videos that you can look at that profile the career. There's the core tasks, so these are the aspects of the job that you're going to be doing on a day-to-day basis. It gives you some of the attributes and abilities that you need to have. So you have to be physically fit, you have to have good hand-eye coordination. So all the video games that you played as a kid will start to pay off. Working well with your hands, you may need to be in high places and those kinds of things. It talks about the actual workplace. So for the most part, you'll be working in the manufacturing construction industry. There's some environmental concerns. You're exposed to smoke, dirt, and some intense heat, and so on and so forth. You can take a look at the potential earnings, and it gives a little bit more detail. Now, keep in mind that there's always going to be a wide variety for the income. So you're going to be starting out as an apprentice welder, and as it says here, that usually translates to between $12 and $18 an hour. As you progress, you become a journey level, and then once you've got your license and you've got some experience, that will work out to between 40 and 67,000 per year. And then there's also other, if you're specialized in things, you've got special skill set, you can earn in excess of that. For the purpose of this activity, we're looking at when you just start your career, so you're not going to be using the high end, but rather something the lower end of this. You can take a look at the education that's required, other related careers, and do your write-up based on all of that information. For the second part of the activity in section 8.1, you're going to be taking your salary, whether it be an hourly rate or an annual rate, and using that to create your budget.